Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. I just received my SofieAndToffee box late. Supposed to be here 5 days ago. They mailed it out on the 1st, so I don't understand what the ruckus was. And considering it came this way, I'm kind of disappointed. So, let's find out what we have. Carousel. Doesn't look like we get much in this one, but I guess the molds make up for it. So, what do we have? 2 bottles of UV resin, both 25 grams. What else? Oh, more cotton glitter. A syringe. Nice. We'll check those out in a bit. Another gold marker pen. 2-to-1 AV resin. Little horsey for the carousel. I'm just going to keep these closed. The post. The base. Yeah, that makes it heavy. That's for sure. And what's in here? This must be the cap. Yep. The cap. Well, I guess we really get to use our imagination with this one. Okay, that's it for now. Wait. I completely forgot the bezels. Well, these certainly are cute. Wow. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And drop some coffee by. Like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.